Welcome everybody, this is Grammar for Everybody. In today's video we are going to see three types of adjectives. They are exclamatory, possessive, and indefinite adjectives. Stay with me till the end of this video if you want to learn about them. Let's begin. The first type of adjective that we will see is the exclamatory adjective. There are very limited cases of the exclamatory adjective. The most common exclamatory adjective is the word what. This is rarely used, but let's see some examples of its possible uses. Let's see these examples. What a girl, what a view, what a car. Notice that it is very common to find an exclamation mark after using this exclamatory adjective. Now let's see the second type of adjectives that we will see in this video. I am talking about possessive adjectives. Just like possessive pronouns, possessive adjectives also show possession. Let's see them. The possessive adjectives in English are my, your, his, her, its, our, your, and their. They are very similar to possessive pronouns. However, possessive adjectives always appear before the noun they modify. Let's look at some examples. Let's check these examples. My car, their books, her blouse, his watch, my, their, her, and his, and the rest of them. As you can see, in all these cases, the possessive adjective appears before the noun. Let's check a complete sentence using these adjectives. Let's read the example. Mario is driving his car with his wife, his daughter, and his dog. Now let's try to find the possessive adjectives in this sentence. Mario is driving his car. Here we have the first one. With his wife, his daughter, and his dog. As you see, every possessive adjective in this sentence comes before a noun. For example, his car, his wife, his daughter, and his dog. Now, let's see indefinite adjectives. Indefinite adjectives correspond to indefinite pronouns. Actually, many indefinite pronouns are adjectives. The difference lies in their function. Adjectives describe nouns, while pronouns can stand alone just like nouns. Some common indefinite adjectives are each, many, some, every, few, any, among others. Let's see these examples using indefinite adjectives. The first one says, some people don't believe in life after death. Here, the indefinite adjective is the word some. If you remember indefinite pronouns, you will realize that some is actually an indefinite pronoun. But here it helps us to identify or describe a noun. In this case, some is describing the noun people. Some people. Let's see the second one. Many species of animals are in risk of extinction. In this example, the indefinite adjective is the word many. Just like in the previous one, here the indefinite adjective is describing the noun species. Let's see the last one. Few students presented their homework. Here the indefinite adjective is the word few. As you remember, few is an indefinite pronoun, but here we are using it as an indefinite adjective describing the noun students. This was everything about the exclamatory, possessive, and indefinite adjectives. I recommend you to practice their usage in order not to confuse them with the indefinite and possessive pronouns. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I hope to see you again in the upcoming videos. Goodbye and take care.